Hey guys, before we start the video, if you guys want to get entered to win my 2002 Springer Softail, yes, we are doing a giveaway on it. If you haven't seen those videos yet, head on over to www.cyclefanatics.com. Get yourself entered to win. The giveaway is going really good, and I'm really hoping that we're going to be able to stop it right before Christmas and give that bike away. So head on over there. The links are down below in the video description, and good luck. All right, guys, so I have the garage pretty much all emptied out. The platform is all empty. The only thing left I have is my beautiful 2024 Road Glide Blackjack. I have the toolbox, which I'm just gonna actually roll out and cover while they're doing the floor. They're coming to do the floor tomorrow, so I cannot wait. But today's video, I wanted to show you guys the brand new product from our good friends over at Rickrak. You guys have been asking me a lot, why don't they make a bag for a Softail? When are they gonna make a bag for a Lowrider S or a Lowrider ST? Well, guess what? Rickrak finally came through, and we have a brand new bag setup for the Softail models. I'm gonna be showing you guys this bag and the changes they made to the framework. And I'm also going to show you guys the exact sissy bar / cargo rack that you are going to need for your Lowrider ST. But first, before we get into that, a lot of you guys have been asking me, will this bag setup and will this cargo rack fit on my 2024 Road Glide with the upgraded suspension? Because a lot of you guys also have an upgraded suspension with the external reservoir canisters like I have right here. Let me bring you guys a little closer so I show you guys what I'm talking about. So if you guys remember, when I did my 8,000 mile trip and I used my Rickrak luggage combo for the entire trip, 3 weeks, 8,000 miles, that's all I used. But the thing was, when I went on that trip, I didn't have an upgraded suspension. I had my stock suspension on this 2024 Road Glide. When I came back, that's when I did all of the modifications to the bike, including the upgraded suspension on the back with the external reservoir canisters. So after, when I came back from the trip, because it was so long, I haven't been on any other trips, and obviously now we are in the winter. A lot of you guys were asking me, will this setup work? Will this setup fit? Like, how will it fit between the external reservoir canisters? Does it even fit? Well, I'm here to show you that it does fit. You do not have to worry about that. This cargo rack, which is a cargo rack straight from Harley Davidson, Rickrak also has this on their website, but you see it goes right down perfectly in between the reservoir canisters. Does not touch. I have about, I want to say, a ½ an inch of space on both sides. And now that cargo rack is actually installed. So now you just take the Rickrak luggage combo and you put it right on top of the rack. And then all you do is tighten it down. I put a lock, which I have right here. I put a lock right through there. So this way it is absolutely totally locked onto that cargo rack. No one can steal it. Yes, some of you said, well, they'll take the whole, obviously, cargo rack and the whole bag. I do not have locks on it. I will be getting locks for it, but yes, there is a solution for that. You can get locks for the cargo rack. So this way everything is locked on the bike. But either way, I wouldn't leave this bag like for long periods of time on the bike, but this is the bag that I have been using the entire 2024 season for my long distance trips. This bag is absolutely the best. And not only do I want to show you obviously the bag setup that is for the Softails, but I want to tell you guys, if you do use my code, which is down below in the video description, this is absolutely the best bag setup. So I have about 12,000 miles on this bike already. This bag has literally been on this bike for my 8,000 mile trip. It has been on this bag for my main trip. It has been on this bike for a bunch of trips. And the bag literally is in perfect condition. So let me open up the bag. This bag also extends, as you guys can see. This bag was able to carry everything I needed for my 8,000 mile trip. We were gone for about, I wanna say 3 weeks. Some of you guys were asking also, is this waterproof? Well, I will tell you that I was stuck in the rain a couple times with the bag and nothing got wet inside. Most of the times when you are on the highway and you got a pretty big windshield, everything's gonna go up and over. I wouldn't obviously leave it in torrential downpour because it'll probably soak through, but Rickrak does have a cover. And another reason this cover is fantastic, what I realized, I actually used it for even when it wasn't raining, because what I did with it, it comes with these awesome straps at all 4 corners. And then what I did was I just put the cover on, and then I took those straps and I strapped this cover right to the cargo rack, which made this bag so secure. So that's another reason why I use it. But the main thing about this bag is that it has wheels. It's basically like a awesome piece of luggage that you would use to, say, hop on an airline flight with. It's got the handle, and the biggest thing is, as you guys can see, it literally comes off the bike in like 5 seconds, and you pull that handle up and you're off and away into the hotel. There is no strapping. These bikes also, they don't have, I should say, a lot of connecting or strapping points to it. So it's kind of hard to start strapping like bags to the bike and stuff with bungee cords and straps and stuff like that. So that's why I really love this setup. It literally saves you so much time. When you're getting to the hotel and you want to check in and you're tired, you just pop this bag right off. And then in the morning, you know, you don't want to be sitting there and strapped. And I'm telling you, I watched Danny, I watched Sandy, I watched a lot of other people. It literally takes them about 20 to 30 minutes to kind of get their bag situated on their bike, strapping them down, bungeeing them down, and they're always retightening the straps and stuff like that. Everything moves. This bag is so secure on the luggage rack. It doesn't move. It's not flimsy. It has a steel construction underneath that is attached to the bag, which you guys can see right there. So this is the thing. When I've been promoting this bag for quite a long time, I truly believe and know this is the best bag solution for any bike. Like, even if I didn't have a Harley Davidson, there would have to be some way that I could use this bag on a different bike, on a, say, different manufacturer's bike. I would have to create something so I'm able to use it, because that's how good it is. So all last year, like a lot of you guys that even watch Sandy's channel with his Lowrider ST, a lot of you guys been asking, like, you know, it's too bad, you know, I got a Lowrider ST or I got a Lowrider S, I got a Softail, and they don't make, or they don't have a bag for my bike. And I'm telling you, there was hundreds and hundreds of comments. I got a lot of emails about it as well. And you know, Rickrak's been working on this for, I believe, the past couple months, and they finally have it. So the bags look pretty much identical. So if you're wondering, like, you know, are the bags the same? Are they the same size? Do they operate the same? I'll tell you right now, they both have the handles in the same spot. They both have the compartments here on top. They both have the side pocket. They both have the other side pockets, and they basically look, and I believe they are exactly the same bag. But here is where they are different. So on my bag, which is right there, you can see that it has the 2 hooks where it goes onto the cargo rack right there. And then you have the clamps. The clamps are kind of situated all the way to the back, obviously on this rack. So let me just get a tape measure just so I can show you guys the differences of these bags, or I should say of the framework. So basically from there to there, it's about 11.5 inches from where it mounts to the front of the rack and where the clamps are in the back, 11.5 inches. So as you guys can see on this bag, they are a lot closer they are pushed forward. It's a different, the framework for this bracket is a lot different. That's only 8 inches. So on my bag, it's 11 and a half. And this one from here to here is only 8 inches. That's to accommodate, and let me show you right now, just so you guys know, I do not have the part for the Softail, which is a sissy bar, and it is a cargo rack. The part is kind of together. You could get them separate, but I'm showing you the part right now, and that's actually from Amazon. It's at a better price. I actually purchased it on Amazon. It is coming. I should get it in a couple days. I thought I was gonna have it last week, but that wasn't the case. They changed it, and now it's coming sometime next week. So once that part comes, but that's the rack that you would need. I'll have a link also down below in the video description so you guys could check that out. As long as you have the docking hardware on the Lowrider ST, that sissy bar / cargo rack combo, that will get mounted onto the docking hardware, onto your Softail, Lowrider S, Lowrider ST, and basically this bag will mount to that system, to that cargo rack. So when I do get it, Sandy's actually away for work right now, so he's not around, but he's gonna be bringing the Lowrider ST, and I'm gonna show you the exact installation once I receive the cargo rack, and then we're gonna mount this on the Lowrider ST. But I wanted to show you guys that this bag is available now for the Softail models. So, I mean, it's just amazing. And like I said, for me, the biggest thing is being able to just put this on the bike literally in 5 seconds, do my riding, get to the hotel, and then in 5 seconds, take it off. And now I'm just moving this bag into the hotel with ease. Another thing is, these bags, if you're doing a long trip, they could, like my bag literally weighed about 50 pounds. So you don't want to be literally carrying a 50-pound bag from the parking lot, up through the hotel, up, into your room, down the hallway. And the biggest problem also is you're going to have other gear. You're gonna have your helmet. You're gonna probably have a jacket. You're gonna have other things in your hands, to where what I've noticed is when I didn't have this and didn't use the Rickrak luggage combo, I literally had to make several trips from the room back down to the bike and back up into the room because I didn't have this. So what I do now with it, once I take it off, so then what I do is take my helmet and I basically strap the helmet to the handle right here, and then anything else I have, I put it on top, and I'm just rolling it inside of the hotel. I mean, it just makes life so easy. And you really don't know how good this is until you have one. And once you have one, I'm telling you, you will never, ever go back to regular bags and strapping them onto a sissy bar and stuff like that. This bag is amazing. So, all right guys, so definitely check it out. Links are down below in the video description. It's a discount off of any Rickrak products that they have on their site. They're also having a garage sale, I believe. I'll put up the picture right here. If that's around your neighborhood, definitely stop by over there and check it out. They have a lot of new products and they have a lot of used products. So you might get, obviously, a great deal. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Make sure you head on over to my website to check out the 2002 Springer Softail giveaway. Get yourself entered. Good luck. And I'll bring you guys another video on this as soon as Sandy's back, of us mounting it to his Lowrider ST. All right, guys. See you guys later. Peace out.